This is Yassine. Yassine decided to start a new chapter in his life, and he started with fire in his chest, the kind that makes you believe anything is possible. He bought a fresh notebook, the expensive one he'd been saving for. He packed his gym bag the night before. He told himself, this time, I'm not quitting. Day 1, perfect. Day 2, still strong. But by day 7, something changed. The notebook was closed. The gym bag was lying in the corner, collecting dust. And that dream that felt so alive, now it was slipping away. But here's what most people get wrong. The problem wasn't Yassine. It wasn't motivation. It wasn't discipline. It was the way he started. Everyone masters beginnings. The first day is easy, full of energy, hope, and plans. But nobody talks about the middle, the boring part, the days when motivation disappears and all that's left is discipline. Most people quit here, not because they're weak, but because they were running on emotion, not purpose. You began driven by excitement, but without structure. When the motivation faded, you assumed you were the problem. The secret? Build a routine that carries you when you don't feel like it. Break your goals into tiny wins. Celebrate consistency, not perfection. You don't need a new dream. You just need to finish the one you already started.